Today, we are getting something that we are waiting for.
DJI Neo 2 drone.
The reason we wanted it because while we travel, me and my boyfriends normally taking turns to capture vlogs and also like photos. I want something more convenient. That's why we decided to buy it. Skill?
Oh my god, it's so small. I didn't expect that small. This will be the RCN3 controller. The charger and the extra propeller guard. And this is USB. And we have a little bit small screwdriver here. And everything like in other unboxing videos. And this is extra batteries. We have 3 batteries. Wow, it's more compact than I expected. Drone. Here you can see the language is China, so I have to change it. Okay, so I got the Neo 2 already in my hand, and I will do some firmware updates and battery update. Then I will try flying for the first time. So today just update that we got the new tools, which is very useful for the travel vlog. We will see later in the flying videos.